Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me Adwowa Sechim. Ebusuafo the other screen is wofre no Felix Kwachi Ofosu. Now he's the Minister of State in charge of government communications. Na ende NPP fo omo etaya pai omo buafu omo akomo adwen e de akere no left right center anya asem keto akra. Omo e kire se Felix Kwachi Ofosu na mo se frying pan. Felix, uni frying pan, they watch a woman, what's his one ryan. Na edenti na NPP for mu buafo mu akomo adwen e de akere Ura Felix. Felix Kwachi Ofosu a okasa e de ema Abanwe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na Abanwe akotena TV so e kire say he prefers a year his Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan to a year former Vice President Dr. Bawumia. Na eno na NPP for say, hey, Papa, ona wo ba be choose your candidate amaye.
If you are an NDC MPP strategist and you wish the party well, and you take an objective position in terms of designing a strategy that will best suit the MPP and deliver victory, you must think about this carefully, whether or not he best represents your aspirations, given the circumstances that prevail currently. It is not an easy thing to do for many people. But somebody in the MPP must be doing some thinking and analyzing what the stakes may be. The truth is that if you brought, I'm not a fan of Kennedy Japan, but trust me, Akwesi, I'm not campaigning for him. He has his own flaws. But the point is that if Kennedy Japan was a candidate, there are things you could hold against Dr. Bawumia that you cannot hold against him. At the very least, he is on record to have publicly disagreed and criticized his own party over some of the economic policies. He has that on record. Dr. Bawumia, on the other hand, was vociferously defending that record and projecting it as reason why they should be voted for. So whereas Kennedy Japan can distance himself from the poor MPP performance, Dr. Bawumia cannot.
But what would he campaign on?
No. It doesn't matter. You see, he can campaign on his own steam. And I'm talking political strategy. He can campaign on his own steam. He can say. No. Yes.
Strategize for us.
No, I'm not strategizing for you. You see, oh my brother, let me finish.
There are some of them.
Let me finish.
Let me finish. If Kennedy Japan wins the 2028 elections, will be a foregone conclusion for you.
Oh, I'm saying that. Let me finish. No.
But you have.
But if you see, my brother, no. My brother, if you let me land, because of the time, let me land, please. You had your say when I was here. You see, I'm not campaigning for anybody. I'm telling you what the objective reality is. I'm not the one who will choose an MPP candidate. But I'm telling you that if anybody was doing serious strategizing in the MPP, they will factor these in. Who best represents our interests at the ballot? Not the brouhaha and the excitement that surrounds internal primaries. Dr. Bawumia's record is abysmal. He cannot take it to the market. That is the honest truth. The average Ghanaian who today has seen a reduction in the cost of living, and there's an empirical basis for it. At the very least, when he goes to the pump, he buys fuel much cheaper than he did under the MPP. The businessman who gets dollars at a cheaper rate now than the MPP, what business would he have voting for somebody who took the dollar to 17 cedis on the forex market? Why would they vote for somebody like that? Who would want to choose a worse situation over a better situation when the evidence is glaring? But if you bring others, they may be able to say that we disagreed with this. I wasn't part of this. My record shows that I even at the time.
And can this need the and can say NPP as him say NPP for say Felix Ofosu Kwachi say on pe ho asema jai NPP for omo primaries ho asema wo kan yesterday wo do be ye Ghana ha no wo do wonsa kan wo to a be ye say we agya wo nan enso na ye mfema de wo do be ye no mpe na wo call Salome crowd wo ka ho asem wo kodo ba ne fie obi ne na de chin wo twa wo beto internet so wo kra wa ma appointment wo be ko bi na say masa shut up yenti nsema wo de etuya
Uzi say ya wo huru ya nim soro efom ekosoro ya da ya nwene muama no mo nsam na mo ba abonten be ka no ni asu ya bia kwa adwunjin ni awutamu ya chimifu ankata
abotre
mo beta mo toto akufuado ene ne ba ne ntem asu ya ni da ho because ya nim say ya politics na mo de ye na ya da sore ya wo kwa vidi budget ya nyansani budget ya enshe obi aye tutu ni tutu hunye wakwati sa enkoko tete wo mo metwitwa bra esi ayeye wo mo ente peyi beba enkuko huo ebeti agu omo so wonyina wo ho atente huro eta wo tu okotireja wonyina wo ho hwede wa pampam no onse apa bema bia opema bia ukodi obi yira no wa pampam no na echukwa wachi hairline no na echukwa wachi fili so ate ono manya we wodi ana me de bra we
Fabre na for wanu si Fabre na for wanu si Josie
swati ase me de bra wanu tra pa jina wo papa jina wo wona wo be ye candidate yamayen yanwane sana amene wo party no kra head of Medusa ene ati adun tonton papa bi wo betumi akoyi wo mo candidate yama wo mo na wo eho MPP wo ye pobia me na yi ama ya wo chemu etabon ena wo ba be ka kire ye se ye nkotu aba magida na ba fosa ena wa tra po kra na se dia wa jiji kakro ni yiri nkunu wa tra bia wane na yiri kura the same scale pro ena na nso abai eye no so peti aba furu wa you want free MPP ya primary eje bi chemu no when this is ya chat kama when to me amu wa konta akwachicha ma TikTok to kroman to me anya adwuma ama the other drama no one case Pacho, telephone, only you, maybe Jan or call by the I'll come into the moon. What the Jano, sister, what the Jano? Now, what that would be at you, Salome, Quadama, idea to any. Salome, your pawn for 30. What Quadama says, and you wear Amiacho, Tanya. No, we have a kind of people. Hey, let the Chiamako, who buy a bay or someone when it's your of our village of being twice.
You get here one patch of protocol, a bent in a way protocol where you make a crash. Sterling. Esanka a fast go ne in team neighbor. All right, a fast go. All right, a fast go, please, Bacho, Mammy Tio.
Maybe I'm doing a NDC sympathizer na driver Accra Kumasi Road onimsu ye pa for the first time I'm at me bra NDC sympathizer because of MPP who abufu nti criticize NDC bitterly. What is Express Road? Ghana there like NDC niema bi wo wa ya na yentemase wo. What is Express Road? Express Road ben and a chance na Akufo-Addo Otra Bomfa Junction na Otra Bridge na Ekwa Accra where you konongo kwan ato akiri no moto aso ade na besi Express Road ben na kire se a chance uduru anyinam ekwan no na Akufo-Addo ayi ato akiri ema wo san kopie anim se de o mampani Kufo yi nkoko bypass to akiri no Express Road ben na chance mampani Kufo time so full interchange abansi san ya NDC ametoa so ebuakwa nanka ye double lane na abesi ebuakwa NDC ba no mbetwa so yeti ye yesi swami interchange ya approve loan no dada sika no dada afede mayo gina ho se ye de swami interchange afra big push. What is big push? Na MPP for na no mo ho abufu ama swami mazi for ye demonstration because of infuturo anka munim se mo stronghold ya Ashanti region and so mo betena so a enyama ensem fatankwan MPP anka MPP tutu ne nyama yi anka NDC de enko ye alternative sen. What is Express Road?
Abosumi Dubako mese President ya wabon asa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Mampani ya wabon pa wasa sabi woni mu hu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yama one solid good year president. Abosumi Dubako. Untimi fa won sanchere one single policy, one single project. Why ye the ama oman. Sasa bi me baye maye janan bia. Na oman pe baabi ya janan ya omonkoso. Abosumi Dubako kwafe. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. NDC yaban ehu sabi wo man se ya nkwasiafo because moba niema hoɔden ejina eye Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfo samoba titisika man nsɛmtwerɛfo adi ne wo moba sɔre anopa akɔtena radio station so sabi aka nsɛmhunu ne nkwasiasɛm akyerɛ wo man yama wabosumi Dubako de kɔ afe ato aba ma wo sɛ mampani Emfidi anegu Ghana kwan so Nana Bandada His Excellency eye adwuma yi akwan ma omen moba ya na mo stop contractors ni nyina asesa mfidie especially Kofi Job sesa ne mfidie free Ghana kwan so samu ye hwehwemu awie na o ma hye o madwuma ase ye kwa afini NDC aban timi mfa ne nsankyere se akwan ya na Akufo Addo gusu ye no ye ba ye ya ye basafa ba akon ato aso da bi hospital ya agenda 111 ya ye beto ya Akufo Addo asibi ya wie ni aka ye mfidi ye de begum be ye adwuma matimamuni no John Dramani Mahama ye NDC aban entumi nkyere wo man se me ba ye me tobentoa e de koto sa agenda 111 hospital ye wa hayimu da bi ontumi kan bi nkyere ye schools wana Akufo Addo usie John Dramani Mahama ntimi nkyere ye se me ba ye maton chance de yaboso dabi factories our no ankasa policy 24-hour economy ene adane 24-hour rest in peace His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba ye ontimi nkyere ye se adwuma na mesimi be bia ma mabuna ye bia ye no we ni ne ye meye dabi yetimi so ye hu gulan krusem ni yakogina baabi ni ajeja nkokọ ama o matukọ soro ade ya lanche nkokọ nketenkete policy but ye hu fie bia mu nipa wo yen akokọ kuro mu ha dabi sabi NDC aban His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye ka kire mo ama ho daso ne mo de sabi mubu o mansi ye nkwasiafo because niamu ya politics some be dada o men because muhu ya say ye nimu nyansa mo be man nsɛmtwerɛfo sika di ne ya besisi radio stations so TV stations so sabi emu mma bi no ya yese somro aka nkwase asɛm ne nsɛmhunu agu yasum ya ka kyerɛ mo untumi medi mampani afe ni akyire abra wuntumi nkyere ye one single policy project waye se wo man dabi yati kromu hansantwerofo ka kyere ye se oman yi mu adwo eno makofom enti wanya hwe kura eye yanya nkwada abra na obi kwaje bosia de ya kwan obi kwaje bosia de hwe ye masku obi kwaje bosia de si hospitals na obi kwaje bosia na ode ye nuoma ahodo wo man mu oba ye Abosumi Dubako Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfo se ye ma wo mere na emom Abosumi Dubako mu no waton wo man agapade ama wunu ye adwuma gi sika gu no botom His Excellency ye ma wo kwan Ghana enya wabusu agapade oman Ghana enya baakofo sabi ebotomu ade oman Ghana enya busunya property untumi medi wo man so na ye taxpayers money yemfa ntua moka na Abosumi Poli Dubako ye musa wo ne waye na wo nyina ho mfa wo nsa nu utirim ye ba sasi aso asimuso NDC aban so we ni mo botaya mo ba ya na mo threaten crofo say his speech na ene ye mo besoa ya gum mumiensa wam na mo nso ayengum bosome du baako mampani untumi nkyerɛ akwan basafa baako se wei na meba ye ma ya ato aso yeso oman mu adwo akufu ado aban ekɔ MPP ade ane ye ton 50 cedis bosome du baako ene eye 80 cedis kodwom kobusa nkwada pampers nom ko sanitary pad nom ko kodwom kobusa yen kan kyerɛw enam ne atosode ye kodwom kobusa bosome du baako saa bere no se ne ye yesi tono mo ankasa mo mamu NDC members no kodwom kobusa ene ne yadru no wamansan twrofo sika di ti radio station ni TV station so sabi kansem hunu kyerɛ oman se who wasted 4 years no kura no wanya bibia is enough all because of say obaye dollar kofo akufu ado kwaje bosia na no de ya apan no de see schools na esisi hospitals abosumi du baako ye nyaamo enya hwe han hwe mo dabi NDC aban ensi timu pe bibia ye kuro yi mu amumpe bibi nye ne ye ka kire mo no